Let's create view using Bootstrap 5.3. Create layouts folder inside resources views folder, then create master blade file. Let's open Bootstrap website in browser and copy this code. And paste this code in master blade. Change title and add font, awesome link on header. Add container class inside main div and M5 class for margin all sides. Added the rate yield content for content section. And also add a yield.js for JavaScript and a yield CSS for style. Create list blade and extends master layout using at the rate extends and add content inside content section. Let's search card, copy the card design and paste inside content section. Add category button here. Now search table, copy the code and paste inside the body div of card. I want border on my table, so adding table bordered. Add serial number 1, icon, status, and action column. Let's move to fifth step, create category controller. Type this command to create category controller. Create index function for list view. Open web.php, copy controller path, and paste in web.php. Define route for list view. Let's check. Oh, it's taking time to load. Chain text color to white. Now create add category view name as create blade. Extends master blade and start content section. Let's search form, copy form code, and paste inside section. Copy card code from list blade and paste here. Remove unwanted code. Define attribute in form. Tag method is post. Encryption type is multi-part form data because we want to send file and action attribute for route and at the rate CSRF for form token. Now change fields according to our requirement. Here write name and type attribute is text, remove unwanted, and name is name. Same changes for password field. Label is icon, type is file, and name is icon. Define create method for add category view. Define route with name create. Let define link on list blade for add category. Let's check. We also need checkbox for status. Copy checkbox from bootstrap and paste here. Change label to status and name as status. Let's check again. Make sure now it's good. Let's create edit blade, copy create blade code and paste here. Use old function to display filled data even when page reload due to validation error. And use at the rate check for checkbox. Now use wherever with field name and write COSS class is invalid for validation error and end this using enderer. And to display validation error use span tag.